How to program a Vizio remote to your TV. So if your Vizio remote isn't controlling your TV, this video will show you how to program it quickly. The process works for Vizio IR remotes, which is the infrared, including the standard and universal models. So before we begin, step number 1, make sure that your TV is powered on. Then check the Vizio remote manual or visit Vizio support online and look up your TV brand and note the 3-digit code for your brand. Press and hold the TV button on the Vizio remote while holding press and release setup. The LED should blink twice, indicating ready to program. Then type the 3-digit code you just found. LED blinks twice means code accepted. If it blinks 3 times, code failed. You can try another code. Then you can test it now. Press power, TV should turn off or on. Adjust volume, does the TV respond? If yes, programming is complete. If no, repeat step 4 with a different code. And also in terms of the tips, also use fresh batteries, point the remote directly at the TV sensor, stand close to the TV while programming, check your TV brand in Vizio code list if auto search fails. And this is how you program a Vizio remote to your TV in just minutes. If you want any other separate video on maybe a soundbar pairing, volume only programming or something like that, let us know in the comments, and otherwise, thanks for watching.